Pakistan Agricultural Research Council, PARC, applications for appointment of qualified and competent persons against the following posts on contract basis: scientific officers, scientific assistants, drivers, field assistants, clerks, computer assistants, and other. Only eligible candidates qualifying the above eligibility criteria may apply online on website www.pacjobsalert.com. Application forms duly filled and signed by the applicants can also be sent to the following address: official website of Pakistan Agriculture Research Council. Jobs are contractual up to the project life or funding by the government. For details, please visit website, subscribe and like this channel for more jobs. First, let's take a look at 2023. We have outlined a 4-quarter plan for this year. Thank you, and let's keep moving forward together.